Hello, what's up, gurus? It's so nice to finally be back on a normalized schedule and, of course, hanging out with you guys. So, thanks for tuning into my channel. So, today we are going to be doing a little hair look. As you can see, I'm brushing my hair currently. And we're going to be doing a hair look and, of course, a makeup look, sort of natural, because lately I just have not been feeling like putting on makeup, and I've been wanting to put it on, but it just hasn't been working out. So I needed to figure out something that was going to work for me. So, like I said, today we're going to be doing this little hairstyle. For those that would like to know, I do have 4C hair, and I think it's like 4B. I think it's a mixture of some stuff going on. So, it's always super hard for me to lay my hair down. However, the Eco Style Gel is amazing. As you can see, it kind of laid down the front of my hair. So yeah, it's a good gel product if you're looking for something, to help out those kinky coils and curls and all that good stuff. Um, but anyway, so I always like to, kind of put that on my hair and, of course, refresh my hair, give it a little bit of, shine and things like that before I go ahead and put on my little wrap. This is actually a do-rag that I had cut because I didn't have anything to put around my hair. I was using a shoestring for a little while, just anything that I could really find. So one day I just seen a do-rag laying around and I'm like, you know what, let me just cut this up and kind of make it my, I guess, hair tie. So anyway, so I did that, and I'm gonna kind of, poof it out, let it get a little even, because my hair seems to always be uneven. I don't know if I'm the only person that has that issue, but maybe, I don't know. But I am using the Cream of Nature edge control, and y'all, this edge control is the bomb. Like, I use it all the time, like every morning when I do my hair. And usually when I do my natural looks, I always like to do my hair natural. I don't necessarily like to put on a wig or hair, like a ponytail or anything like that. I just usually put on my little scarf wrap, or I may even wear a scarf, depending on how I'm feeling. And I will always do my edges, and I will always use Eco Styler every single day, basically. So even when I'm going to work. But anyway, so like I said, I do like to use the Eco Style gel for that, and then of course take the Cream of Nature and do my edges. And like I said, the edges be late down. So anyway, then I'm gonna go ahead and tie that down for a little bit. With this, I always use this hair wrap. Shout out Nike in case you want to like sponsor your girl. So just in case you're listening. Anyway, y'all, so I like to tie my edges down. So I am going to be using the Juvia's Place, the Warrior 2 palette. I think I've only used this palette a few times, but because I can never really get the colors how I want to, and I don't feel like brown always shows up the best. But today I'm like, you know what, I'm going for a natural look, so I may as well just do the brown shadow. And it came out really good. Like the transition shade worked out perfectly for the dark color to kind of pop. So like I said, it definitely came out the way that I was expecting it to. So I did go ahead and I used the NYX Honeydew Me Up as a primer. For once, I did not moisturize my face with CeraVe, which is shocking because I always do, but I didn't. And I'm going to go ahead and color correct using my NYX Conceal Color and Correct palette. I think that's the name of it. And I'm using the Milani, it's the foundation concealer. And it's in the color, I believe it was Toffee. I don't have it with me, but I'm pretty sure it was Toffee. And it's absolutely amazing. So this look gave me the most natural look. The thing was, it was full coverage, but it wasn't, if that makes sense. So it was enough coverage for me to have to do a natural look. And it came out beautiful. Like, I have not even used this foundation concealer. Like, this was the first time I had ever used it. I had bought it. I don't even remember where I bought it from. I think it was Walmart. It was either Walmart or Walgreens, and I had bought it, and I'm like, well, I'm gonna try this. And the thing is, I never did get to try it. So I'm like, you know what, we're gonna try to go for this natural look. I put some on the palm of my hand, and I'm like, you know what, this might work out. So definitely, if you're looking for something to go out, you just want to be quick with it. And this was literally a 10-minute video for me to just kind of put something on to get ready to go out of the house for a moment. So it's perfect if you're looking for that look. So now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal, which y'all know I love, 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 love all the time. So this is in the color Fawn, and I'm running out. I need to get more. So I was, of course, squeezing the life out of it like always. I just have not been able to get to a store and, of course, go out and get more. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using for my highlight. And I got this blender. It's just like a sponge blender. I got it from Walmart. They have these packs of sponge blenders. There, and it came with like different shapes and sizes. So guys, if you don't feel like you want to afford a beauty blender, you could totally go to Walmart and just get a sponge, and it works out the exact same. It works perfect. So yeah, guys, this look, like I said, this highlight is the bomb. Of course, the LA Girl Pro Conceals, I use these religiously. Y'all are probably tired of seeing them, but yeah, sorry, this is like my favorite. So if you have not tried them, you should, and you'll see why I use them in every video. um, but yeah, so they make your highlights so bright, and it's like, the thing is, it's always a smooth finish too. And this is not sponsored, by the way, but I'm just saying, it gives you that smooth finish look there, and it just seems like it makes everything flow together. So now I'm going to use the NYX palette, which, like, again, I used for everything, the color, conceal, correct, whatever, however you say it, to do my contour. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to blend that again with the sponge, just to kind of make sure that everything is smooth and how it's supposed to be. Gosh, every time I do my contour, I sit and I think about the CoverGirl Queen, because I'm out of it, and it bothers me because I didn't even go through in this video with a powder for my contour, and I usually do because I use that Queen. So I'm just going bare. It's all bare with just that. And then I took a little bit on that sponge and just kind of did my nose contour a little bit. So now I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, and I'm just going to go through on my lid. I'm not doing a wing. I'm not doing anything extravagant. Just going to give my eyes that little darkness that I like, so that I can just kind of get on with my day. And here I'm using the MAC. It's, I think it's the color Chestnut. I'm pretty sure it's Chestnut. So, because I just always use that color. So that's what I'm doing on my lip line. And then I'm going to take the Ulta Beauty. It's the Infused Lip Infusion. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It reminds me of the lip injection a lot. So yeah, this is great as well. And I kind of tinted it. I put some concealer in there to give it that kind of brown look that I like, the natural shade. So now I'm going to go through with some Sacha Buttercup setting powder and just kind of put that on my highlighted areas. I had forgot to do this step, so I went back through and I did it, because I'm like, dang, I'm missing powder on my contours, but I do need to put on powder on my highlight. It's just a must. So if you do highlight, you need to put on a powder because it's definitely yeah, you just, powder is just where it's at. So now I'm going to go through with some blush there, and this palette was actually from Black Radiance, and then I did a little bit of highlight, and there your girl is with this natural look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and definitely do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Much love to you guys. Bye bye.